Alright everyone, so today we're going to do a review on this iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, and yeah, let's get started. So, after taking a glorious look at my wallpaper here, anyway, if we open iRobot Home, you can see we've got the S9 Plus all done, and now I'm going to tell it to clean the living room. So, let's see how well it does. We've got the rice all laid out right here. I have it on max power. Looks like it's going that way. I'll pause when it gets near this giant mess. It's kind of close to the pile now. Surprised it didn't get a little bit of rice when it went over. Okay, here comes the rice. Oh, detected dirt. That spin brush is pretty much useless on carpet though. Starting to hit the big pile. That dustbin's about to get mighty full when it starts to hit the wad. It's like, wait, where am I? My only complaints I have with this vacuum so far is how loud the extractor bar is on hard floors. And the mapping run kind of sucks. Those are my only two complaints. Other than that, it's an excellent robot. I mean, it got a little bit. So that's outside the living room. Go inside. Not surprised these V-Slam robots don't do a good job at differentiating rooms. Now it's heading into the study. Now it's getting caught up on that rug. You know, I'm just gonna pause until it gets back to the wad. Nice, it's getting close. Alright, it's gonna hit the wad. That dustbin should be mighty full. Oh, yep, it's full. It's leaving a trail of rice behind. Looks like I'm gonna have to get the upright vacuum out after this. Where are you going? It's over there. It's like spitting the rice out grain by grain. It's like, bleh. It's like, I refuse to contain you. I'm too good to contain rice.
It's giving up the ghost. Oh no, now it's paying attention.
It even knocked a little grain into the extraction hole. Honestly, this clean base is quieter than the i3's clean base. That's also an issue that I've been finding. It has trouble communicating with the base. You can head back out. There's like rice everywhere. Picked up a lot. If you know, don't eat the rice. Freak. There's rice everywhere. Dude, there's even rice over here. I don't know how the heck it got over here. What are you do- The dog just rubbed her bum on the ground. Looks like it's skipping this giant pile for later. It's coming towards. Surprised, oh, there it is. I was about to say, I'm surprised it didn't engage the dirt detect, but as I said that, it engaged the dirt detect. Yeah, that dustbin is mighty full now. mighty. Gosh, I cannot speak. I'm surprised that it's not detecting that the dirt bin is full. Now it's going under the chair. Here we go. I mean, it is a 550 milliliter dirt container, so. Surprised it can hold all that. Let me break this up a little more. Just so that it's easier for it to suck up. Yep, it's heading back to empty. Oh great, it's leaving a trail behind on this pass too. It's taking the exact same route it did last time. Evie, what are you doing? Are you trying to lick up the rice? Are you being a naughty dog? You're being a naughty dog. She was just looking straight up at you. Oof. Barely got that. Should be coming back out any second now. Or it's going to empty itself yet again. Okay, it should come out now. Come on. There we go. Now this thing's not even a day old and that side brush is already pretty much annihilated. I wonder why it did that, like, I don't know where I am thing. I guess it saw that there was a lot of rice there and it was like, clean. Something I've noticed is that the barrier around this base seems to be less large than the i3's base. It's like must clean edges. Now it's going in a circle. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to pull out the shark. There's rice everywhere. But I mean, like, it got the majority of it, so. And it only had to empty its bin like 2 times, so that's pretty impressive. See you guys when it gets back to the now rice twinkle pile thing. And there goes Dirt Detect. After this thing is finished, I'll take out the bin and take a look at how much rice is left inside of it so that we can see how good that self-emptying bin really works. pretty much every grain. I'm impressed. Not a lot of robot vacuums can do that. I mean, I've only tested a couple, but this thing seems to be the champ out of all of them. Okay, well, the majority is gone, so I'm just gonna resume once it's actually finished cleaning. So I'll see you guys in a second. So, off camera, I saw it in, do the ring thing, like the blue light. So I was like, huh, it's heading back to the base, and here we are now, I'm recording. You just love being a rice vacuum, don't you? I think she's camera shy. Yeah, I definitely still heard rice going through it, so I expect rice to be in the bin when I take a look at it. Or are you gonna empty again? Oh, its battery is low. Yep, still, there's actually quite a bit of rice still in there. We can tell it's empty again. Sound like it sucked up the majority. Yeah, there's still a lot of rice. So I'm just gonna keep running the self-emptying bin over and over and over, and nobody wants to see that, so I'm gonna stop. Alright, well, looks like it passed the rice challenge with flying colors. Yeah, so what do I think about it? 10 out of 10 robot. Highly recommend getting if you can find it at a pretty good price. But for $1,000, it's still a good robot, but it's really pricey. Anyway, that is my review. Honestly, I'd recommend getting a used one because a brand new one, you're still getting the same robot, just in better condition, so try to go for used, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.